Forget Paris. This is where travelers are going in 2025. Welcome to Zanzibar, an underrated paradise where the Indian Ocean sparkles like diamonds. Picture yourself relaxing on white sandy beaches, soaking in stunning turquoise waters, and tasting some of the freshest seafood seasoned with bold Swahili spices. Zanzibar is more than just beauty. It's a cultural treasure trove. Wander stone towns, winding alleys, and UNESCO World Heritage Site buzzing with rich history and warm smiles from locals. Want insider tips? Visit Nungwi for pristine beaches or spice plantations for aromatic adventures. Zanzibar is not just stunning, it's safe and welcoming to all travelers. Travel without limits. The best time to visit? Between June and October for unforgettable sunny days. Pack your bags. Your next adventure awaits. So, where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below and subscribe for your passport to inspiration.